welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour. If you don't know what a power hour is, basically that's just when you make like a predetermined list of things you want to do around your house, and then you try and beat the clock and get that all done in an hour. This was actually created by StyleMomXo. If you don't know who that is, Kim over on her channel. She has a channel very similar to mine, so you should go check it out. But she's actually who created the power hour. I think it is a genius idea because it really just motivates you to get up and get done what you need to, and I feel like you can dedicate an hour out of your day to do that. So today's video is actually going to be a collab with my friend Lynn. She is so sweet. She is one of the most genuine and kindest people that I know. I met her here on YouTube, and she has an awesome channel. She's an awesome mama, and you guys should definitely go check out her video when you are done watching mine. I'm going to go ahead and show you a clip from her video, and then I'm just going to jump right into this power hour.
Okay guys, this is Lynn, and as you can tell from the clip, her house is absolutely beautiful. She lives in Florida with her husband. She has 5 kids and an adorable fur baby named Ruby, as you can see right there. She also has a kitty cat, and she does a lot of videos like mine. She is super sweet. You guys will love her attitude. She is very kind and down to earth. I really think you guys would enjoy her. So if you want to go check out her video, she did a power hour as well on her channel today. So I will have that linked for you guys in the description box. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with my power hour. Okay, as you can see, I picked up some pine salt in the lavender scent. Now, Madeline actually picked this off the shelf and said, "Mom, you have to smell this. It smells so good." So I did, and I do really enjoy it. I actually did a little Target cleaning supply haul. It is not live on my channel yet, but be looking for that. But I did haul this in that video, and I really like it. The only thing is, it's not, the original pine salt that I love claims to kill 99.9% of germs. This one does not. However, I still think it is a really good cleaner, and I really enjoyed the smell. So for a change, I got it, and I really liked using it on my countertops, and I will use it in the bathrooms as well, just to clean like the countertops and to pour a little bit in the toilet, probably just to make it smell really fresh and clean. But I really do love pine salt products, and the lavender smells really nice. So if you've wondered about it, I highly recommend smelling it. It does not smell like the Fabuloso at all. I do like Fabuloso, and it does smell good, but this one smells completely different. So I'm doing a load of my rags right now, and I was just showing you what I use. I just use my detergent and then the Lysol sanitizer. I really like doing it this way, and then my washer has a sanitize mode on it, and so does my dryer, so I use those modes on both of those, and it does a really good job. And then as you see, I have that little bin, and that's just for rags. So when I'm done with the cleaning rag, I will put it in that bin, and then I wash it about every other day or so. And then as you saw that box there, I did get a new cleaning product. It is the Bissell Crosswave, and I'm going to be using it in the video in a little bit. And then I also did a complete haul unboxing review on it as well, and that will be live on my channel soon. That it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter
saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up.
Okay guys, so I had to switch microphones. I'm having some issues with my microphone, so if I sound different, I apologize. I'm trying to make this work. But as you can see, I'm using the Bissell Crosswave. I did do a full unboxing and review of this, so look for that to come on my channel very soon. If you are not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed and you have that little bell clicked so you will be notified when I do upload that. But I will be uploading it really soon. I'm really excited about that video. It turned out really good, and I'm going to give you a little hint, a little spoiler alert. I do absolutely love the Crosswave, and I'm super excited to share with you all of my thoughts and opinions. But here is a clip of me using it, and I will be using it in a lot of future videos as well.
It ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. And I keep spinning. You see right through me. Do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. And I keep spinning. You see right through me. Do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
Alright guys, as you can see, I finished everything. I just finished washing the back door. In case you were wondering, I just used a damp cloth with a tiny bit of dish soap, and I find that does really good if I'm really wanting to wash them versus just kind of clean them with Windex and a paper towel. And that window gets really dirty because the dogs, they're wanting in and they're wanting out. So it has a lot of handprints on it, and football prints, I guess, and the girls' handprints as well, because they're often letting them in and out. Anyways, what else did I want to say? I do get asked a lot how I stay in shape, and I say this kind of jokingly, but I say it seriously as well. If you can't tell, I'm out of breath. I am sweating. Little spurts like this of cleaning and doing it really fast and trying to get it done, they get your heart rate up and going, and you know, that's a good 30 minutes to an hour of cardio, and that's no joke. So essentially I've been doing an hour of cardio. I need to find my phone. If you can see, I have 4 minutes left, so basically an hour of cardio, and I still have stuff to do, but for my power hour, that's it. But yeah, that's one tip for you for staying in shape is double. You get your house clean and you get some cardio in. If you're coming from Lynn's channel, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. Please come down in the comments and introduce yourself. I would love to say hi. If you are somebody who's been with me for a really long time, or maybe just in a short amount of time, can you do me a huge favor and in the comments let me know, can you do hashtag notification squad? I want to know if you have that little bell clicked and if you get notified when I upload. I'm trying to figure out what YouTube is doing. They're not notifying people and they're unsubscribing. So if you want to click that bell for me, that would be amazing. And if you do click it, or you've clicked it in the past, will you let me know by doing hashtag notification squad? I would really, really appreciate it, guys. I think that's everything I wanted to say. I'm out of breath. And I'm just ready to be done for the day, but I got a lot more to do. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!